Friends, today I'm truly honored to introduce to you a revolutionary product. The horizontal directional drill HWF460. It's not just a machine. It's the pioneer of future engineering and a powerful partner in realizing your dreams. With unparalleled precision and reliability, it redefines the standards for underground construction. Imagine this, with the HWF460, the once hard-to-reach underground world is now within your grasp. The HWF460 utilizes an advanced hydraulic system, boosting work efficiency by 15 to 20% over traditional systems and reducing heat generation within the system by 50%. With its exceptional performance and stable operation, it will become your most trusted partner. The design concept of the HWF460 is human-centered technology. Not only does it improve work efficiency, but it also prioritizes operator safety and comfort. Equipped with steel tracks and optional rubber pads, it can withstand high loads and traverse various terrains. It features a semi-automatic manipulator, making the construction process quicker and easier. We believe every engineer operating the HWF460 will experience the convenience and joy that technology brings. Choosing the HWF460 is choosing a future full of endless possibilities. We sincerely invite you to join our journey of innovation, explore the future together, and embark on an exceptional journey with the HWF460 to success.